Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a digital planner to sell. First things first, we need to log in or create ourselves an account at Canva. We can then sell it, for example, on Etsy, so you will need account at Etsy as well. But let's go step by step. First things first, we need a Canva. So in here we are already logged in. You can do it completely for free, so feel free to just get started on Canva. What we want to do is use this search bar where we are going to write down planner. As you can see, we have the one planner right here, and there are already tons of options for you. If you don't want to really start from the scratch, you can start by adapting one of those styles, but some of them are paid, so you have to pay for them straight away, or they are part of a pro option. But we want to create a blank planner. We're gonna hit that blank option straight away. If you still want to use some of the templates, you can, but I want to go with, for example, elements or photos, or you have completely tons and tons of options. Here we can start with a color, which will be on the back side of my planner. Let's go with something between yellow and orange. Then we can go to elements, and we can find some kind of, I don't know, whatever you really fancy, or even backgrounds if you feel like. You can just use like this, but there will be watermark of Canva, and we don't want that. So what we want to do is just pick something from the elements, and then we can go to graphics, and here let's not go with table, but let's go with waves. Like this. Those are the ways. We can just make it like bigger, and we can make a style like that, for example, if you fancy. Obviously, if you're in font of something else, please, you can use that type of options. Then we want to go to text, for example, and we can add the heading. So we can move it where we want it and start with, for example, week, for example, 24 planner, just like that. And once we get there, we want to go, for example, into the elements again, and look for some kind of pages or boxes, just like that. And then we can use it, or we can go into lines and, for example, some kind of shapes. And from here we can pick some easy shapes. Yeah, we need to wait to get it loaded. Just like that. And we can use some of those logics in here. We can, for example, use this one like this. We're gonna press Ctrl C and Ctrl U, and we can use it like this. Obviously every single one of them will be different day, just like that. So in here we can go with yet again we can go with text, and can add a heading, and this will be for example, obviously for Monday. So this will be M. Oops, M. As for Monday, we can use Tuesday. Then we will go into Wednesday. Then we can go with Thursday. Then Friday, Saturday, and the last day, as we know, is Sunday. Okay, so this is our planner. For example, let's say you are more than okay with this one. And here we want to add another page. For example, in this page, we can write down what we will add in here. So this will go for Monday option, and we can underscore it, for example, make it bigger, bulker, just like that, and add another day for Tuesday, and just like that you can make yourself a planner. So first we have pretty nice first page, and then we can go with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, this is off center, and just go like that and create yourself a planner. You can then print it, or you can use Etsy, which is a great tool if you really want to put it outside of there, and you can make some extra money with it. It's really nice if you really want to get that type of experience that will bring you more and more money by downloading, for example, for this whole stuff. Once it's finished, you can put it there for, I don't know, 50 cents or €1. So automatically people can just download it, and they don't have to really make the effort themselves that you just created. And that's about it, guys. It's really, really nice. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.